In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily task in Todoist. Todoist is a powerful tool for managing your tasks, and setting up daily reminders can keep you on track with your commitments. Let's dive right into the process of setting up your daily task. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, you'll want to type in app.todoist.com/login. This will take you to the Todoist login page. If you already have an account, this is where you'll start. If not, take a moment to sign up before proceeding. Once you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email. You'll see a designated box for your email address. Carefully input your details, making sure there are no typos. Next, move on to the password field and enter your password. Again, attention to detail here is crucial to ensure you log in successfully. Todoist also offers a convenient option to log in using an alternative method. If you prefer, you can log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Simply click on the corresponding button to expedite the process if this suits your needs better. After you've logged in, you're all set to create your daily task. To begin, look for the plus button on the interface. This icon is your gateway to adding a new task. Clicking this button will prompt a window or section where you can enter the specifics of your new task. Now it's time to name your daily task. Think about what's clear and descriptive so it's easily recognizable when it appears every day. Type the task name in the task field and make sure it's something that will consistently remind you of what needs to be done. The next important step is to set a recurring date for your task. Todoist makes this incredibly easy. When you're setting the due date, simply type the words every day in the task title or due date field. Todoist will automatically recognize this phrase and understand that this task is meant to recur daily. This feature ensures you have a constant reminder without manually resetting it every day. Finally, it's time to save your task. Look for the save or add button, typically found at the bottom of the task input section. Click it and voila, your task is now a permanent part of your daily routine. It will appear every day as a recurring item on your list, ready for you to tackle. And that's it, you've successfully created a daily task in Todoist. This simple yet effective practice keeps you organized and on top of your daily responsibilities. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.